Hi-ho!
Welcome to the 35th episode of the Zombies of the Dead.
Yes.
That's not what it's called. Parents of the Dead.
The parents are dead.
Yeah.
Last episode, we got eaten by zombies.
Yeah.
And that's because none of these dice do anything apart from punching.
So violence is fun until there are 4 zombies.
That's
and
right.
then you need some other fun as well.
Yeah. So do you do hearts or shields?
Let's do some shields first.
You wanna start
since you
with
can
shields?
get a double shield.
Yeah, it's more useful.
Yeah.
I see.
So there's some place in this code base it's just right at the bottom there. Get die effects.
Yeah, look at that. Get die effects. Do we have a test for it?
Get
die effects? Yes, look. 2 separate punches, a separate
so
punch.
I guess that's one place to start.
For sure.
It needs to dish out some shields. Towels thing.
Shields. Okay.
Yes.
I will do get die effects, and I have a die 0 with these faces. I like that we have sort of created an extension point for more faces.
Yeah.
And the current face is
0, 1,
2.
2. Yeah.
And my expectation then is that we don't have any punches. Do we then expect there to be punches value 0? And die IDs like this or a nil?
I don't really care, so we can do whatever the code does right now.
Because, yeah, this is what it does right now.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, because then we have to sort of restate all of these all the time.
Okay, I don't want it.
Okay, then we will do
I regret.
shields.
I regret everything.
Yes.
Yeah. Take it away, please.
The value is 2.
Yeah.
And the die IDs is die 0.
It's perfect.
It's perfect. I'll up the ante a bit to
make sure that it can summarize.
It knows the pluses.
I see.
Yeah, here we go.
Oh my god, such difficult material to work with.
Yeah, but you do have to fix the punches though.
Yeah, so I'll do expand let here.
Mm-hmm.
And I will do... What will I do? I will do... Okay, so this is what I'll do.
Yeah, that looks...
Something like this, and then I'll do...
Seek punch die?
Yeah. Punch dice.
Yes, this looks good.
So this should... yes, perfect. That got me a nil pointer.
Yes, because we are expecting there to always be punches there in the punching code.
Right. So this is the same place we failed before. So this is in...
Deliver package of punches.
Yes. Right, down here. So the here... as a lead or.
Yes.
Something like this.
Nice.
Yeah, nice. Get die effects. And now... So let me just do this.
Mm-hmm.
So now I just want to get the shield dice then.
Mm-hmm.
Shield dice. And I think we only have shield?
Shields, I think. Take a look at the faces.
Where are you? Faces?
Yeah, where are the faces?
It's here in the...
Oh,
it says shields. Yeah. So fine.
Mm-hmm.
And then just the same thing.
Yeah, basically the same except the times 2.
And then sword, shields, value.
Yeah. You can feel free to just copy a bit.
Punch value.
Yeah, we don't need punch value. You actually just count the dice and times 2.
Yeah. Count shield dice, and then we just do... There you go.
Yeah, and then you need the shield dice there. Yeah, perfect. So what's wrong?
Finish turn.
Wow. Really?
Yeah. False. It says that... yeah, so...
Yeah, it's added.
It's added, but why did it start failing now?
Yeah, True.
It probably failed before. We just didn't notice it.
I thought the test were in.
But
It worked on my machine.
So I'll just do like this.
Yeah, that should fix it. You have to...
which almost fixes it.
yeah, because there will now plan.
He'll do
stuff.
something else.
Yeah.
Just do punch instead.
Yeah.
Ah, perfect. It's working. Damn tests. Okay, so that's one part of it. We're calling this thing here down in deliver package of punches.
Yeah, that's not right.
So this is the wrong place to call this function.
Yes.
Where do we call this one? It's down here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need a test that that demonstrates that they're being used.
Yes.
Right?
The shields need to be used.
Yeah. So this finished turn somehow, and then you should be punched by a zombie. Zombies love punching.
Yeah, but
They do.
Yeah, they do. But the zombies punching you are after the shields, like chronologically.
Yeah.
Start by punching the zombies, then you set up your shields.
Okay. So yeah, because you want to activate them as well.
Yeah.
Where is that?
So you have punch a zombie. We finish a turn. We punch the zombie,
Mm-hmm.
and we cannot punch non-existent zombies. You cannot remove life that is not there. But here we go. Here's the shield part.
Activates shields.
Yes.
I was going to come up with some Star Wars related joke because there's something about some shields, but I can't remember.
Yeah, me neither.
I'm afraid the deflector shield will be quite operational when your friends arrive.
So it was real fun. Everyone laughed. Yeah.
I think maybe this episode is named the Star Wars joke.
Great joke. So what's this event called then?
It's set player shields, maybe.
Set player shields. Mm-hmm. And where are the dice? There are no dice. I need some dice. And I don't really care about the zombies.
You do not.
So here, current phase is 2, as we learned.
Mm-hmm.
1 is enough.
Yep.
And now there should be some of these. And what do they look like? I have no idea. Set player shields. Shields 2? I don't know. What? Just 2?
I think just 2 should be enough.
You probably want to know which dice.
Yeah, the die IDs.
So die 0.
Perfect.
Yeah, no such thing is happening in this game, sir.
So I will pull this out. There will no longer be a delivery package of punches straight here. It will instead do create dice events.
Yeah.
It's a game and a target. And we will concatenate something.
Mm-hmm.
But I think we do want the die effects.
Yeah.
Or the die effects. So get die effects, which takes the dice. Let's take a quick look at this one. Yeah, it's a vial, exactly. So
and you want to pass it into this function.
yes. So this is the effects, die effect, just effects. Yeah.
Effects. It doesn't matter. That's the whole point of this abstraction, is to not be
tied to the
dice, right?
So it just destructures the punches out. We might as well do punches like this.
Yeah.
Sort of.
Lovely.
Deliver package of punches.
Yeah.
And then we will do die effects. These are the actual die effects.
Yeah.
Yep. So the things after we have delivered our package of punches, we will activate our shields. Activate shields.
Mm-hmm.
Which
game die effects.
does it even need a game? I'll try without.
No.
We do need to do when there are shields in the effects. We want there to be.
I'm liking how this is developing, because later when we add modifiers outside of dice, these functions will just keep working.
Yes, that's pretty nice. So we have shields and die IDs. Oh wow, this is just basically shields from effects.
Yeah.
Isn't it? I
Yeah.
think so.
I think so.
Okay, so we have no matching class, set player shields in update game. That's no big surprise. Because we are, in fact, reducing over the update game to finish
this
the
is
turn.
perfect. It's almost as if the tests are driving our direction.
Oh wow, that's crazy. So we have set player health, set player rerolls. I will add set player shields.
Mm-hmm.
Shields, and I expect there to be player shields too.
Yeah.
No matching clause.
No matching clause. All right, sir. So update game. Where are you? There we are. And it's called set player shields, which is here in the alphabet. Oops.
Yeah.
And what is it supposed to do? It's just set the shields on the player.
Yeah.
So you can just
That's again.
get a destructure here. No.
Oh.
Asok in game shields.
Player shields.
Shields opts.
Mm.
And it says value. What kind of stupid shit is this?
Oh yeah, it's the value. Yeah, I'm sorry, it wasn't the opt directly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
you have to,
fucked up. Sorry. This is in something along this. It's here.
Yeah. You
Okay.
have to do shields is value in effect.
Wow, I hate it so much. Is that important?
No, I don't think so.
Should be like this.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, and now because I did shields from this one.
Value. Yeah, and I have to fix the tests as well. Because it says shields there as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's... Should that be value?
No.
Player value?
No.
No?
I just want this to be over, man.
I can understand that.
What the fuck?
There's nothing in the tests. That's weird. Okay, let's take another look at the actual expected and actual done.
It's okay, let's just go here. 62. Set player shields.
Yeah, it's just set player shields too. It should be set player shields.
Oh, perfect.
Value too.
Whew.
Whew.
It's working.
It is working.
So, where do we go from here? We have a couple of things left to do.
We have actionizing.
Yeah. And we need to also apply
Use the
the
shield.
shield. So is this going to be a cliffhanger?
Yes, it
Yes.
will definitely be a cliffhanger. How much time do we have left?
None.
None.
So
Roger
this will
that.
be the disappointing conclusion to episode 30. What was it? 5. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. It will be very exciting next week when we actually use our shields.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.